Nation National Interschool Taekwondo Championships. Before anything else, let us first acknowledge the presence of our Regional Management Committee. Region 1 Chairman, Sir Glenn Buenafe. Region 3 Chairman, Sir Dolphin Punzalan. Region 4A Vice Chairman, Sir Renan Desalud. Region 4B Chairman, Sir Raymond Val Padua. Region 6B Chairman, Sir Antonio Jasnes Jr. Region 6B Board Member, Aubrey Mongao. Region 7 Chairman, Sir Antonio Del Prado. Region 8A Chairman, Sir Francis Dos Dos. Region 9 Vice Chairman, Sir David Yuson Sr. Region 12A Chairman, Sir Arnel Castillo. Region 12B Chairman, Sir Eduardo Bantay Jr. Core Chairman, Sir Arnold Oglayo. BORM Chairman, Sir Byron Betita. For our city heads and assistant city heads, Quezon City Assistant City Head, Sir Buddy Makasaya. Manila Assistant City Head, Sir Elmer Rafael. Mapata Assistant City Head, Sir Ryan Gafford. Kamanava City Head, Sir Alan Paul Balatiba. Kamanava Assistant City Head, Sir Joey Paha. Multiparla City Head, Sir Alvin Taraya. PTA officials, Sir Ricky Santiago. Mapamasas City Head, Sir Renato Suarez. And to give his welcoming and inspirational remarks,